Objective. Place piece tags to help identify pattern pieces once cut. Click the Piece Tag button in the Tools section of the ExactFlat toolbar. Click Add in the Piece Tags pop-up window to start adding new tags. In the command line, select Snap equals Vertex to snap each tag to an existing vertex. Click on a vertex to add a unique tag to each pattern piece. Tip: create custom tag names by changing the text in the Piece Tags window. Also, use the %n value to add numbers that sequentially increment for each tag. You can do this before or after placing your piece tags. Key result: piece tags have been added to each pattern piece.